News now from Uttar Pradesh, where there are allegations of religious profiling of eatery owners, and this is along the Kavar Yatra route. This is Kavar Yatra takes place every year, and there are allegations that Hindu outfits are going around and, in fact, trying to look at the identity cards of those who are working at the dhabas to see whether they are Hindu or not. And in fact, one person, the allegation is that his pants were even pulled down as he did not have his Aadhaar card at that time. But this is really a fear that is being created along these routes. NDTV's Ankit Tiwari with this ground report from Muzaffarnagar.
The Kavar season is back in Muzaffarnagar, and with that is also the controversy once again in this district, which has seen a lot of tensions in the past between the communities living here. Now, the latest round of escalation or tension started with some self-proclaimed investigators who came to various roadside eateries or dhabas, as they are known as, to try and check who are the owners, who are the people, those who are serving it in the name of Shuddhata or purity for the people, for the Kavariyas, the Yatra, which is about to begin from 11th of this month. Now, the controversy started in Muzaffarnagar from this very dhaba, which is Panditji Vaishno Dhaba. It says Panditji Vaishno Dhaba Shuddh Shakahari Bhojnalaya, which means that the name is Panditji Vaishno Dhaba, and it is a pure vegetarian eatery. Now, a video went viral where Swami Yashvir Maharaj, a self-proclaimed Thekedar of the Hindutva Dharma, his people came here and asked the staff of this dhaba about their identity. Sunil ji, आप इसी ढाबे पे काम करते हैं?
जी सर, मेरा मैनेजमेंट है सर। मेरा अभी 2 दिन से मेरे पे चार्ज आया है।
अच्छा।
हाँ जी, मैं नया मैनेजमेंट है सर। पुराना में क्या हुआ है क्या नहीं है, स्टाफ रख रखा था। 2 स्टाफ रखे थे जो गाड़ी रोकते थे। सनवर, एक गोपाल है जिसका नाम तो जुम्मुल है, वो भी यहाँ पे कार्य करता था।
उनका क्या काम था? गाड़ी रोकने का काम?
गाड़ी रोकना या फिर बर्तनों की सफाई कर ली, झाड़ू वगैरह लगा दी।
ये बताइए मुझे कि अब आप लोगों का नुकसान हो रहा है, ऐसा और भी जगह नुकसान हो रहा होगा, लोग डर में होंगे ढाबे में तो सब लोग?
बिल्कुल सर, इस तरह से तो बंद हो जाएंगे सर। ये इस तरह से तो बंद हो जाएंगे। अब एक बात सुनो, हमारी रोजी रोटी है, यही कमाने का टाइम है। साल भर का किराया हो जाता है, सिर्फ साल भर हो जाता है। मैं सर्दी में कस्टमर नहीं आता, एक चाय नहीं बिकती है सर।
Who gave license to this Maharaj to come here with his organization and indulge in this kind of an act, which continues in parts of Muzaffarnagar across and Haridwar on the Dehradun-Delhi highway? And the other point, the other important question is, when the 2024 Supreme Court very clearly said identity administration cannot force the dhaba owners or eatery owners to put their name or pictures or identity, then why is this once again become a point of contention here in Muzaffarnagar? Is it that the Kavar Yatra, a religious festival, being once again used by few to incite passions and trouble in this city? With my colleague Monu and Ashwini, Ankit Tyagi, Muzaffarnagar, NDTV.